A Maui jury today found Bernard Brown guilty of murdering his former girlfriend, Morera Mo Monsalve. This comes after nearly a month-long trial and years of investigation. Monsalve went missing 8 years ago and was last seen at Brown's home in Wailuku. Her body has never been found, but police were able to charge Brown with murder using new technology and cell phone evidence.
We now know the name of the woman who was shot and killed in Chinatown on Monday. She's been identified as 24-year-old Elise Aggressor Ayala. Her alleged killer, Tony Johnson, was in court this morning. Johnson's been charged with murder, attempted murder, and several firearm offenses. He's accused of shooting Ayala in the head while she and her husband were arguing with another man Monday night at a bus stop at the intersection of North Hotel and Kikaulike Streets. Johnson's bail has been set at $2 million. He's scheduled to be back in court next Monday.
A jury trial for Oscar Cardona, the man accused of stabbing a visitor in Waikiki, is underway. Cardona is accused of killing Elian de la Cerda during an argument near Kuhio Beach last June. Once the jury panel was seated, the state called on a Honolulu Police Department evidence specialist to the stand. Trial is scheduled to continue tomorrow, and Cardona is currently being held on $1 million bail.
Oscar Kanoa, the man accused of beating a woman to death in Waianae, pleaded not guilty in court today. He's charged with second-degree murder for the death of Bonnie Vieira, who he admitted to having an intimate relationship with. Kanoa is being held on $1 million bail. His trial is scheduled for October 24th.
This new tonight, attorneys for Scott Carter, the man accused of helping a father hide the body of his baby girl, filed a motion to dismiss charges. Carter was charged with hindering prosecution back in February, accused of helping Travis Rodriguez into the death of 18-month-old Kitana Ancog. The defense claimed Rule 48, saying Carter's charges could be dismissed without prejudice because trial did not begin within 6 months of charges being filed. He's currently being held on $250,000 bail. Well, new tonight, former Honolulu Deputy Prosecutor Catherine Kealoha says a picture of her doing cocaine on Louis Kealoha's desk destroyed her marriage to the former HPD chief.
She also claims that picture does not exist. That's according to an 8-page handwritten document filed by Catherine yesterday. She claims the attorney assigned to the Kealoha's federal conspiracy case lied about the picture, putting a wedge between her and Louis.
Catherine also wrote, "This lie was a major contributing factor in Louis turning his back on me and refusing to fight alongside of me." She went on to say, "It ended my marriage, destroyed my family, and all to ensure the plea agreements divide and conquer." Catherine is asking the court to demand the picture from the prosecutor or have him removed from the case. The Kealohas were found guilty in a federal corruption case 2 years ago.
Catherine's brother, Rudy Puana, is scheduled to be sentenced on federal drug trafficking charges next month. He was found guilty on 38 offenses, including distributing oxycodone and fentanyl. Puana faces a minimum 10-year sentence with credit for time served. Sentencing is scheduled for September 12th.